Industrial development is escalating. Production plants are no longer what they used to be 10 years ago. We have changed, all of us. Technology allows us to discover phenomena and components previously not visible to us until it was too late. The Internet of Things and artificial intelligence render information unique to us. Information helps us to eliminate equipment failures and inefficiencies in production. It enhances safety by removing safety hazards. Information also increases productivity. The most important thing for us is still our people, skilled and knowledgeable professionals with vast experience. Our people, supported by digitized processes and tools, are among the best in the business. Our people are the core of our expertise. The human mind, combined with artificial intelligence, is the key to innovation and an investment in the future. Together, they create the best possible preventive operation and maintenance services, accompanied by a strong production capacity. Main partner, Intelligent Care.